Already solved the first layer. We have to match the color with the centerpiece, and after matching with the centerpiece, what we have to do, we have to select a piece on the top layer which is without yellow. Please kindly note, we have to select a piece, the edge piece which is without yellow. See, for example, I have this blue and orange and green and red, but I cannot take this piece because it contains yellow in it. So what I have to do is I have to select any one piece. For example, I have taken green and orange. Since orange is facing us, so what I do is I just turn my both the bottom layer and I get 3 oranges together. When I have 3 oranges together, I have to keep this on the right side. Please note, I should keep it on the right side. And once I keep it on the right side, I will know where this green will come, because the green has to come in front, because green is in front of us. There are only 2 possibilities, front or back. Okay, if we have blue on the top, it will come back. If it is having green, it will come in front. Since it is orange and green, it will come in front. And for front formula, as we have already seen, we have the front formula R1 U1 R1 U1 R1 U R U R. If you kindly check, we have got the piece which was over here, we have got it on the front, orange and green. Now we have to select another piece. We have already got another piece here, green and red. So what we do is we have to get 3 greens together because it is facing us, and keep it on the right side. And now we check where the red has to go. Yes, again the red has to come in front because the red is our face. So what we do is the formula again, R1 U1 R1 U1 R1 U R U R. If you kindly check, we have got our piece green and red. Now we check whether we have any other piece on the top layer which is not having yellow. For example, this piece has yellow in it. This piece has yellow in it. Yes, we have a piece which is not having yellow, which is orange and blue. So what is that we do? We just match 3 blues together and keep it on the right side. Please remember, Shri, that you have to keep it on the right side. Since it contains orange in top, again it has to come in front, because all the 3 options we have got, it was in front only. So what is the formula for front? R1 U1 R1 U1 R1 U R U R. See this, we have already got. Shri, we check around and we find that we don't have any piece which doesn't have yellow on the top. For example, this has yellow, and this also has yellow. But there is one piece which is not sitting properly here. This is supposed to be blue and this is supposed to be red. When this case comes across, this is called as parity case. You have to hold in front of you and you have to do the front formula. Okay, remember this. R1 U1 R1 U1 R1 U R U R. The piece which was over here, it has gone on the left side here. Once we have it on the top, you know what to do. Match the color. Match the 3 colors, blue, red, and you have to keep it on the right side. Please note, right is important and this passage is important for us. We keep it on right side, and when we keep it on right side, we find that we don't have red in front. Red is in back. So what is the formula for back formula? We have R U R U R U1 R1 U1 R1. And if you check around beta, we have already got our piece which was there on the top. So with this, we have completed our second layer. Right. Thank you.